Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. It's Monday and we start out with some sunshine, and as we head to bed tonight, it's still pretty quiet for most areas, but snow is on its way in, and in fact it's already accumulating. As we showed you at the top of the show, some roads out in the western Dakota is completely covered. That's Interstate 94 by the Montana border. So that snow accumulating already. It looks wintry, it looks cold on Tuesday and another round Wednesday. Let's get to your hour-by-hour forecast showing this snow making its way eastbound overnight. Temperatures will be steady to slowly rising for some of us. By the 7 o'clock hour, here's what you can expect in your hometown. Single-digit temperatures for the northern one half of our viewing area and some teens down south. It'll be breezy as the snow will be moving through in your drive time the central Red River Valley. It will have been snowing for the better part of the overnight hours for portions of our western counties in North Dakota. So that's where the most lofty morning snowfall totals. Here, let me show you what this looks like as far as snowfall accumulations for the morning drive, because things will just be getting going for some of our eastern counties. Lower totals there, a trace, maybe an inch. As you get into Fargo and points west on I-94, notice this is a little farther south than what we were showing earlier in the night. And this is lining up with where the radar is putting things right now. So 1 to 4 inches along I-94 and points south, northern parts of the Lemoore County area, southern parts of Stutsman County, 1 to 4 inches of fluffy flakes on the road. This will be the type of snow that's the powder variety, okay? It's not great for making snowballs. Through the mid-morning hours, the snow continues to make its way out. We'll have light winds as the snow is falling, and they'll be from the south. And then in the afternoon, after the snow exits, the wind picks up, gusting at times to around 30 miles per hour. That'll cause some blowing and drifting, but what it's really going to turn our attention to is this. Brutal cold coming after the snow makes its way through. Some gusty winds as well. And then look at this, another round of snowy goodness lining up for your Wednesday morning commute as well. And dangerous wind chills into the nighttime hours on your Tuesday night. Check this out, 25 to 35 below on your Tuesday night. Again, a survival kit would be handy. By the end of the day Tuesday, many of us getting a trace to 2 inches, that 1 to 4 line there along Interstate 94 and points south, kind of in the North Dakota side of the Red River. Then that second round works its way through, swirling. I think this one will be maybe even a little bit farther south than shown here because of all that cold, dry air being drawn in from the north. Nonetheless, there'll be a chance of snow. The best chance will be in our southern counties for day 2. Could add another 1 to 3 inches of snow. This is actual snowfall Wednesday on top of what we get on Tuesday by the morning hours. So how much total, Hutch? Well, you add them up, you carry the one. No carrying of digits. We're still in the single digits, but some of us could have 2 to 5 inches, maybe a little more in a few spots. Along and south will be the primary area of the buildup of flakiness. Here's the radar showing that snow spreading across central and eastern portions of North Dakota, but remaining dry up north. Temperatures brutally cold, 10 below for you in Thief River Falls, 11 below in Hallock, 9 below in Langdon. Right here in the Fargo-Moorhead area out at Hector, it's 4 degrees and not much wind, so it feels like 4 at this hour, with snow on its way by the morning drive. Temperatures as we go through the overnight hours will remain in the single digits and rise slowly with some light snow as we approach daybreak. I think we'll have a good inch, maybe a little more of snow for the morning commute. It continues snowing through mid-morning and then exits off to the east with temperatures rising only to the teens. And then late night, we'll see some of this colder air that will be pooled up to the north, working its way southward. Look at the temperatures near the South Dakota border, a little milder there. Cold Wednesday with that morning dash of snow, that second dash of snow for the week. Then we try to warm things up on Thursday. How about the weekend? Friday included there. 27 on Friday and temperatures near Thursday for Saturday and for Sunday. That's a look at your weather. All in all, looks wintry the next couple of days. Be sure to tune in to the Valley Today and Lisa Green to get the latest on that.